Abdul Malik. He's been a fantastic councillor for such a long time, and with that time, he's brought real improvements to the local area. Even on projects like the West End playing fields, where we promised that we'd bring investment into Colders, and we've delivered on that. Why? Because we think that politics matters, and if you vote for local people who are really invested in the community, you'll see that investment returned back into the local community. So today, please go out there and vote for Abdul Malik in Colders, a wonderful candidate, and with your support, continue to be your councillor.
Thank you.
Councillor Abdul Malik, he is a great candidate, and he is the only person who can make a real difference for the people of Colders. Only Labour can deliver the resources that we need, the influence that we want to make this town a great place. So please come out and vote for Labour, vote for Abdul Malik.
Thank you.
দয়াকরি হলে মালিক ভাইরে ভোট দিবা, কারণ মালিক ভাই লেবার পার্টির ক্যান্ডিডেট ছাড়া, লেবার পার্টির এমপি কাউন্সিলর ছাড়া কমিউনিটির কোনো উন্নয়ন হইতো না। পার্টি ছাড়া কেউ কোনো গভর্নমেন্ট কোনো ফান্ড আনতে পারত না। ধন্যবাদ আপনাদের।